Welcome to Faulkner Fixes All, the only channel that matters. Okay, today we're going to show you this chopper I made for a contest. And chopper bicycle, pedals, human power. Yeah, I made this for a contest about a year or two ago. And out of like 20 people, I barely even got fourth place, really. So now I'm going to sell it. I'll offer it for sale. We'll do a quick walk around and I'll ride around on my road here. And there'll be no wheelie popping and no stunts because this baby's big and long. Anyway, I will not ship this bike. You have to come pick it up in the 28787 area code, which is Asheville, North Carolina. Yeah, I'm not shipping this thing. There's no way. There's just no way to get it in a box to make it feasible. Anyway, yeah. Might meet you somewhere, though, if it's not too far. This is a, well, it's a Schwinnlumbia Monarch Wards with a Monarch front end. Yeah, this part is a Schwinn turned upside down to get the right rake. These are Schwinn Cruiser forks. This center part is a Columbia. And I think I cut up a Ward's bike too. It's not perfect. There's some little dimples here and there in the frame. Some rough welding. It's not perfect. The back is pretty cool. Little spider action holding the whole fender on. I think that fender was the original Columbia fender from a Columbia Rambler girls bike. Walled reproduction chain guard from like the 70s walled catalog. White chain, Bend-X hub, alloy, gold rims, white walls, 26 by 175, gold seat, gold grips, tassels. This light does work with D cells. It's not corroded. I don't have batteries in it now for storage issues. The Monarch front end works very well. And this long piece I made here, actually the bike rides pretty well, surprisingly. I thought it was going to ride like just some sort of the way long choppers ride, but it rides pretty good. And let's go for a ride. See if I can do this with one hand. It's going to be fun. Okay, you know, you think choppers, there's a little chip there too. See that chip? It's not perfect. A little weld action there that's kind of funky. You can see these better now. A little dents that I put in there when I was bending it. It's not perfect. Kickstand still does work. Nice low gears. Okay, this is going to be fun with one hand. I think I can do it though. No caliper brakes. Why would you need them? You're not going that fast. Oh, this is going to be hard with one hand, folks. Oh, it's going to be real hard. Okay. Yeah. Normally I could probably turn this around, but not with one hand, not today. It's not that kind of a show, folks. We believe in safety. Okay, we're cruising, you know. Brakes work good. Look at that front end bouncing around. Good bike, nice low gears. You know, it is what it is. There's some little dents in the frame here and there that when I was bending it. Not a bad bike though. We'll turn around this field and check out that Springer front end, huh? Oh yeah. We got this. One hand in it. Kind of. Whoa! Okay, no scrubbing today. Good low gears. Back fender action there. Not bad. Not bad for 4 bikes put into one. You know, when you're cutting up old Schwinns, it's good to cut up a Breeze because that's a girl's bike that's not really collectible. A lot of these choppers are made with that. Made with the Breeze frames. They're strong and you can twist the whole frame upside down. You can see right here Let's see if I can see it. Well, I can't. Oh yeah, see, there's the number, and that number would really be on the. No, that's not the number. Anyway, this is switched around. This would be the bottom race, and this would be the top, and the serial number would be somewhere in here. Anyway, yeah, very common to use these as the go-to bike when you're chopping up bikes and making stuff out of them. Rides very well though. I'm gonna go fast now. Woo! Oh yeah. Anyway, I'm selling this bike. I'm trying to get $450, and you pick it up. You might be able to make a deal if you don't want the headlight, which is a cool feature. It's not rusty inside. It takes decels. It does work. If you don't want the headlight, I might be able to knock it down to $4. Anyway, here's the Schwinnlumbia Schwinn Monarch, made with lots of different parts, and it rides pretty well. Nice tassels, some gold spinning wheels there. Okay, Faulkner fixes all. The only channel that matters. Remember, where can you find this kind of quality? And the kickstand still works when you get it on something level. There you go. Here's your very own Schwinnlumbia Schwinn Monarch with Schwinn Racer reflector, Bendex hub, low gears, walled chain guard, unknown grips, and a light that you may or may not want. So, what did I say? It's a good bike, and hit me up, direct message me, and come by to 28787 and pick it up. I'm not shipping it. Okay, have a good day.